In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location on LinkedIn profile. If you've moved, started working in a different area, or simply want your profile to reflect your current location more accurately. Updating this section on LinkedIn is a quick and important change to make. Your location can affect how you appear in searches, how recruiters find you, and how your profile is understood by people viewing it, so it's worth keeping this information up to date. To begin, go to your LinkedIn homepage and look at the top of the screen. Click the Me icon, which opens the menu connected to your account. From there, choose View Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page, where you can make changes to the information shown publicly or to your network. Once you're on your profile, look at the Introduction section. This is the top box directly below your profile picture, where key details like your headline and location are displayed. In that section, click the pencil icon to open the Edit window. This is the main place where you can update your profile's introductory details. After the Edit panel opens, scroll down until you find the Country or Region field and the City or District field. These are the location settings you'll need to update. Start by selecting your new country from the drop-down menu. Make sure you choose the correct one, since LinkedIn may adjust the available location options based on that selection. Next, choose your specific city or district. Be as accurate as possible so your profile reflects where you're actually based. In some cases, LinkedIn may also ask for a postal or zip code. If that prompt appears, simply enter the requested code to help complete the location update correctly. Before saving, take a quick moment to review the information you entered. This helps avoid small mistakes, especially if you selected the wrong city from a list or typed in the wrong postal code. Once everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your LinkedIn profile location will now be updated. If you don't see the change immediately, give the page a quick refresh. Keeping your profile details current helps your account stay professional, accurate, and easier for the right people to find.